Offering the correct business intelligence component for your end user is not so easily taken as it seems to be. Are you going to offer a managed reporting tool, an OLAP tool, a managed dashboarding tool, or a self-service tool, or even a combination of that? Those choices seem to be hard to take. On the screen you see a tool that can help you making the correct choices. By the way, the tool is created using SAP Lumira. My name is Iver van Zand. I work for Business Analytics with SAP Belux. On the screen you see the tool applied for the Business Intelligence suite of SAP that embeds a number of components, either residing in managed reporting, dashboarding, or self-service. The tool helps you to choose the correct components for your end users. Before you start doing that, you first need to think about more abstract domains that are important choosing a tool. These domains are things like platform integration, how do the tools integrate in your platform, how easily are they being adopted by your end users, the number of features of course, and whether the tool are customizable, ready for cloud, or allow for content creation. Let's go to the tool itself. On the screen you see an overview that I created with typically end user requirements for a business intelligence tool. You can easily select the end user requirements that your users asked for in the, being available in the BI tool. For example, whether there was an internet browser as a client, whether the end user can easily filter, whether it's possible to create cascading filters, an easy learning curve, and for example we could opt for tools that have predefined running calculations. On the right hand side you see the selections that I just ticked over here in this overview. The tool itself now calculates and comes up with the best possible choices that you can offer to your end users. Let's go to the next page. On this page you see applied for the BI suite of SAP the different components being reflected in this graph with a weight factor and a feature factor. And over here if I hover, you see listed from 0 till 4 how the different required features apply for the different tools. Over here you can easily see that in this case the selection that I created, Lumira might be a tool that might suit your end users very well. Over here you see the same graph now applied the other way around, where you see per feature requested the scoring that is applied by the different tools within the SAP BI suite. For example, you can see that the selection of a internet browser for almost all tools within the SAP BI suite applies. This goes for the predefined calculations that you see in some of the tools of the SAP BI suite. If I scroll down a little bit, you see that I used conditional highlighting, indicating which tools suit best. Yeah, so the tool for the filtering that we set up, Crystal Reports, applies for a typical for at least 3 of those with the highest score, and for learning curve and predefined running calculations with a mid-level score. You can scroll right and have a look at the other ones, and again in the selection that I created, Lumira seems to be a very nice choice for your end users to offer, again based on the selection that I just ticked randomly. I can go to the next page, and over here you see a similar view in a radar perspectives that gives you more insight on what to offer best for your end users. And again you see that the score of Lumira is very high over all domains that I just selected. The last page of the tool gives you a kind of a dashboarding indicating green, orange and red which tool suits best, so you can very easily see and reflect on the selection and the best offered tool for your selection. In this case, this seems to be Lumira. Thank you for your attention.